Good morning. We're at Naples MOB. The MOB stands for Medical Office Building. I guess they haven't picked a name for it. Anyway, we're right off of Pine Ridge Road here in Naples. We started this job, this is day 4 on site. Right now we're currently in process of excavating and prepping the elevator pit, doing some various sleeves for other trades that go below our footers, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll be pouring the floor of the elevator pit. So let's go take a look at how they're doing. So we got Line Steel on site with us today. He's bringing in some steel right over there. Crew's working hard on the mat. We got everything in yesterday. The waterproofing finished up this morning, his last touches. Right now our carpentry crew is preparing keyways and sump pit blockouts that we'll be installing as soon as we've got the second mat in place. You may recognize some of the guys. The back of Rito Salas over there, my lead superintendent. The Madrids, Caterino, he's my other foreman. Best guys around. So we formed this up yesterday. We will be pouring this after lunch with barring any unforeseen circumstances. Over here we got the guys backfilling the sleeves that we've dug out yesterday, and they'll continue on so that we can be prepared to start doing exterior footers. And we've got our yard set up over there. Right now we've got the pad built up higher than the surrounding area. This is mainly because they have a cistern system that sits under the parking lot, and they don't want to bring in a lot of fill at this point in time. Eventually this will all be casting bed for our panels, 3 sides of the building. This building is big, 70-foot tall panels, 320,000 pounds on the big one. So we will have a massive crane, 388-ton crawler. We're probably 2.5 to 3 months from picking up panels out here. And that's it. We're off to a good start.